Hello everyone! In this short tutorial I show you how you can create a data table from scratch in R. So for that you just need to define the specific columns or rows, it doesn't matter. So what I just did here, I said what I want to have in column 1. So I want value 1 and value 2 in there. So I just run that. For column 2, I just type the other values, and to create a data frame we actually can just type them separated by a comma within a data.frame and just store that to data frame 1, for example. When we run that, and now we have the data frame 1 stored here, as you can see, and when we want to look at it we just type data frame 1 and voila, we can see it down here. So the other way would just be to do it directly. So we make the data frame 2, which is exactly the same. We just define the columns within the data frame object, and here you just need to separate it as well with a comma, and don't forget to add here 2 brackets. When we then run this, we can also have a look at the second data frame, which is exactly the same. So we have in column 1 value 1 and 2, and in column 2 value 3 and 4. And when we want to look at that data frame in more detail, so for example if it's too big for the console here, we can type view data frame, and then a new window opens here and we just can look at it here as well, and we can like change the order here of the values, so the biggest first, or also here as well in column 2. Great! Thanks a lot and have a nice day!